What would be scarier than the VeezyKids staying the night in one of the animal enclosures with the animals? The VeezyKids staying the night in 3 of the animal enclosures on 3 separate nights in 3 separate videos. We read through your comments and there were so many that wanted us to stay the night with ducks, goats, hogs. We decided to keep our viewers happy, so we're gonna stay in all 3. On today's episode, we're staying with the ducks.
Hope they're good roommates.
Hope they're good roommates.
Yeah.
Don't do it. As you see, the times. We got New York, 10:54. I even got the Philippines in here for our Philippines viewers, 11:54 p.m. London, 3:54 p.m. And Australia, 2:24 a.m. Here, it's 10:54 a.m. These guys want to stay in this duck enclosure for 24 hours.
We don't want to. We got enough light, so we have to.
Guess you got to. You guys are not leaving here at all. If you gotta pee, you pee back there.
I'm peeing back there.
Nobody is leaving for 24 hours. We're doing this for the VeezyKid viewers. Now, as far as Papa Veezy, I'm probably not staying in here the whole time. I won't even lie to y'all. For what? I got these guys. What do they do when there's trouble in the area?
Gary usually screams like, ah, 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 ah.
Yo, we got Kevin hanging out today. Oh, wait, you found some?
2.
I guess you have food while you're in here. All right, so the first challenge we're gonna do is, I guess, the duck egg toss. All right, so round 1, you pass the egg. Take 1 step back.
Oh, it's fine.
Round 2,
Oh, I caught it.
take 1 step back. Round 3,
Joe, get it.
next round, go.
Catch it, Joe. Yes.
Oh, they dropped it, but it didn't.
Did it break?
No.
Take 1 step back.
Oh, good. It didn't crack.
Take 1 step back.
Oh. Yeah. Yes. It cracked. It cracked. Ours fell a million times. Is it a double egg? Oh, this one's nice and big.
Now toss that to Alyssa since you guys lost. Good catch. Hey, so what are you guys doing in there?
Relaxing. Very nice shade.
This is the... Oh! Why are you bringing them out here? Most of the videos you guys see, Gary hates everybody. Gary's always biting people, but for some reason, he enjoys Anthony. He likes Anthony so much that Anthony walks up and picks him up and walks around with him.
Don't move.
So you guys know, no ducks or VeezyKids were harmed during the filming of this episode.
Get down, Anthony. Get down.
It's all over your back still, bro.
It feels like a massage, except for Gary. Ow! Gary's biting me.
Ah! What the heck was that?
The duck got on your back.
Go! Go! It's so scary. Come on! Duck! I feel it! On my feet! Let's play duck, duck, goose! Duck! Duck! Goose!
I'm here in the shade with my water while the kids are over there in the duck pond. So we got this tank, right? Clean it out, fill it up with this water, use the casting net, catch some cool fish, and you could keep them in here.
That was a bad cast. Lame. That one. Oh, I saw jumping fish! I got one! I got one! Buddy, I don't want to hurt you.
How the heck did you catch one with that horrible cast?
That was the baddest.
Get him out. Don't let him get hurt.
Where do you go?
Pick him up, put him in your water.
His face was stuck in the...
What is that called?
Tilapia.
It's a baby tilapia.
Wait,
I need to fill this water more.
I think we should let the tilapia back.
Hey.
Fill it up more.
y'all can fly.
Oh my God.
They're gone. It's gone.
They jumped out?
Yeah.
All right, so you're missing one. Oh, he's a little guy. Put him in there with his uncle and aunt. What kind of fish is that?
I think it's tilapia.
All right, so I don't have a bubbler or any kind of filtering system. We're only gonna keep them in there for a little bit and then we're gonna release them. Pick them up.
There's 1, 2, 3,
so
4,
cool.
5, 6.
Nothing. Anthony is afraid of nothing in the entire world. What is that? Oh, look at the tail, how red it is. That's so dope looking. Bro, we should catch some of these and put them in the house as pets. What is she doing?
I'm playing duck sounds. I can be friends with them. 24 hours of duck sounds.
This is what you're doing with your time?
Yes.
What happened to homework?
What?
I don't know if you noticed, but Alyssa's out here dealing with some massive headaches. These girls were out in Miami all weekend for a dance competition, and she's feeling like crap. However, she said she wanted to be out here. Don't know how long it's gonna last, but I hope you guys are all right with her taking off and going in the house and taking some medicine and going to sleep. Stay out as long as you want, but once you start feeling like crap, just go inside, all right? The viewers are all here for you. Look, guys, Mama Veezy's here with some supplies. Oh, hey, Anthony. Heard you wanted some water.
Ew!
Chug.
He put his mouth
Chug.
in
Got
it.
this, Chug. Got this. Chug.
Ew.
Chug.
But it's 12:24 in New York, 1:25 a.m. in the Philippines, 5:25 p.m. in London, and 3:55 in Aussieville. That's Australia for y'all that don't know. All right, so we got some gifts here from Mama Veezy. What is that?
Donuts.
What? You can't, your mouth is full. Whoa. Well, I just want one of these.
What is this? How do you do this?
This is an easy tent to build.
No, it's not. It's so
How's that working?
much.
Oh my gosh, look at those ants.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that was there.
Those are red ants.
Do I have to take
When we laid that grass in there, those red ants killed us. Last episode, Janine Steinhardt posted, and because of that, I think they got 2 kids. I think they got 2 girls. Well, because of that, y'all both win some VeezyKid merch. We'll send 2 kids clothing. Just email us the sizes. We'll send it to you guys. I'm just gonna eat my Taco Bell now and watch them from a distance because it is way too hot out there for me. 2:05 here, 3:05 a.m. in the Philippines, 7:05 in London, and Australia, 5:36 a.m. So, what are you feeling like, Rihanna?
I'm bored. My phone died and I'm ready to go inside. But we still have, I'm not going to count how many hours because we have to go through so many. But yeah.
Listen, if you catch a fish and I let you eat it, what would you put on it?
ketchup? Ketchup!
Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a little nap here while they eat from my armpit. Ow. Gary, that hurt. Somebody hurt. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Yep, it's kind of like a massage, but painful. Probably. Oh, I feel it. Ah, hold on.
Dad, you have bird poop on your shirt.
Show it on the camera.
Oh my gosh. Ew.
Gary knows what you did.
Gary, did you poop on my shirt, bro? It is 4:08 p.m., 5:18 in the Philippines, London, and Australia. So here's our times. Still in here. Hey, VeezyKids, so you guys remember Paul Cuffaro's dock there? We were gonna stay on that, but again, there's like 6 of us. 1, 2, the thing has been beaten up through the times.
It's kind of falling apart.
It's not kinda, it is 100%. Paul even told us you guys should remake that. So if this video gets 1,000 likes, we will do a future episode very soon, rebuilding that dock, making it 3 times the size, and we will literally name it 20 of our subscribers. We'll write each one of your guys' names on that dock and film it. Yeah, so we're still out here hanging out, and I noticed that Mama Veezy was out here pretending to be Hector. She's out here building stuff to put these lights up. I don't know if you guys can see them. but we're gonna go all the way around with lights. Hey, Mama Hector! Yo! So we're doing 24 hours in the duck pond, and we're hoping you're in Florida to bring us some pizza.
You know, I'm in Texas, but I'm sure I can hop on a flight really quick and swing by and drop off stuff. You do the whole challenge?
We're like halfway through, and then we got to sleep tonight.
I don't know if I have faith. That's a hard one.
You don't think we can do it?
I don't think so, man.
All right, guys, we got to prove Brenten wrong because he don't think we can do it, and this guy says we can, this duck right here. Hey, when are you moving here seriously, though?
I'm trying to get a house, like ASAP.
Why didn't you buy this one?
Because you bought this one.
I guess that makes sense. Now we're definitely gonna do it because Brenten says he doesn't think we can do it. So hey guys, that was Finatic, by the way. He's got an amazing YouTube channel. His link will be below. It's almost dinner time and I'm thinking, what would be the perfect thing to eat doing a 24-hour duck pond challenge? How about Thai crispy duck? Bruh. Time is 7:01 p.m. for us, and you see your times on the switch if you're overseas. You see it's dark out, but Mama Veezy put the lights up. You having fun?
Yeah.
You want to do 2 days out here?
Yeah.
You thought about it for a minute, huh? Yo, the food is here and he brought it back to us. That's what I'm talking about. What's your name?
Andres.
We're the VeezyKids.
Oh, nice.
You brought us sushi?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Thanks a lot, man. We're not allowed to leave here for 24 hours.
Soon after.
There are 2 pieces left. Whoever eats one of them has to have a big chunk of wasabi in it.
Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay.
How's that feel?
Wasabi. Is that water?
Drink the water from the duck. Don't go out. You can't go out 24 hours.
All these water.
Give me, no, stop it.
It's spicy for me.
Help me!
Can't see it. Show me your mouth. I can't see. Chew it.
Where'd he go? Well, I think this is a good time. If any of our subscribers or viewers are artists, we have a P.O. box listed down below. So go there and send us some art, some fan mail, gifts, anything that you want. And we're gonna hang in Anthony and Jayla's room. What is being dumped on their head?
She's waterboarding him?
24 hours in the duck enclosure and we ain't taking any breaks unless it's a dance break.
Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going.
Yo, so we were gonna hold a duck, but he went to the bathroom right on Rihanna. Get your flashlight, Tone.
For the next 24
Yeah, you got a nice 24-hour challenge with a bunch of poop on you.
That's what I
All right, guys, so we're gonna call PC right now and see what he's up to. Yo! We're out here on a duck pond, 24-hour challenge, bro. And a duck just pooped right on Rihanna.
Nuts, dude. How are the mosquitoes?
Oh, they ripped us up, but we had a DoorDash come and bring us sushi back here. What do you got to say to everybody?
What's going on, Cuffaros? I'm currently in bed relaxing, man. It's nice to relax on my bed while you guys are in duck shit. Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm gonna wish my best of luck, okay?
Have a good night, Paul.
Alright, have a good night, guys. Don't get bit up too much.
9:30, 9:26, blah, blah, blah. All right, I wanted to tell y'all something. I don't know if y'all noticed yet, we reply to every single comment on YouTube, and it's hard to keep up with it. Right now, we're gonna keep going as far as we can, so every time you comment, expect a reply from one of us. All right, VeezyKids, it is 11:14 p.m., and you see the rest of the times. We're gonna go check on them because I went inside for a little bit. I ain't even gonna lie. God, it looks beautiful out here. Gary, listen, you better yell if something comes out here messing with my kids. You better tell somebody or scream or something if a coyote comes and messing with my kids. Hold on, they might be asleep. Yo, are y'all all right?
Seriously, go.
There's a million bugs in here.
All right, well, bugs are your friends.
No, they're not. They're biting me.
You guys good though?
Yeah.
You need anything? You guys all right?
Kind of.
Have you gotten eaten or killed?
Yeah.
What are you doing down there, Rihanna? Bring your head. Hi. Welcome. You guys all right?
Fish.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you got your phone. If you need anything, give me a call. Let me see what you guys got going on in there.
Nothing really.
Oh, you guys are sleeping next to your beer cooler.
What?
All right. Well, I guess get back in there, Tony. Good night. All right, VeezyKids. It's 3:16 in the morning, and I heard some weird noises, so I came out here to make sure that the kids are all right. So I'm trying to be quiet because they should be sleeping. So we got one VeezyKid, 2, and 3. They didn't. All right, and no animals are in here either. Zip that bag back up and I'll come again. Look how nice it looks out here at 3 in the morning though. My main question is, why are the ducks up at this time? Like, what are they doing? Hey, what are y'all doing? Do y'all sleep? They must be on the night shift, like, huh? I don't even know what I'm saying right now. All right, VeezyKids, I just woke up. It is 8:46 a.m. You see your times here, but they haven't called us, so I wonder if the kids are still in there. As you can see, I'm tired. I didn't sleep good. I was worried about my kids, man. But let's go see if they're all right. Oh, yeah, they're all still asleep. And look at Anthony. He took his blanket. This one's wrapped in a cocoon. Dude. It was scary out here last night. It's dark. I think we need more lights. Those ain't enough. They have about 3-4 more hours and the 24-hour challenge is done. What you think, Kevin? How'd you like having us here last night? You have a good time? What? Seriously? Well, if you don't like us, then move the paws. Ow, 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 ow. All right, VeezyKids, time 10:29 a.m. and you see the rest. And the kids are, I guess they're up and hanging out now. So they knocked this challenge out the box. What's this?
I'm a young girl! Don't mind my life.
How's the food taste? All right, VeezyKids, the time is 10:49 a.m. I think it was 10:47 when y'all stepped foot in here yesterday. So you guys have completed the 24 hours in the Duck Pond Challenge. Come on out.
Thank you guys for watching today's video.
Hit the bell icon to join the Noti Gang. Subscribe to become VeezyKids like us.
Also, like the video and comment down below to get a chance to win some free merch.
Woo!
Stay tuned for episode 2, where we're probably gonna be in there.
Oh no.
And then episode 3 will probably be in there.